Durandar 2 The Rowan releasing on March 19. Aad 3 releasing on March 19. Drishyam 3 Malayalam releasing on April 2nd. Battle of Galwan releasing on April 17. Paddy releasing on April 30. Patriot releasing on April 23. The Paradise releasing on August 21. Ustad Bhagat Singh releasing on March 19. Vishwambara releasing on July 10. Bhood Bangla releasing on April 10. Spider-Man Brand New Day releasing on July 31st. Avengers Doomsday releasing on December 18. The Odyssey releasing on July 6, 17. Katala releasing on May 14. Goodacharya second releasing on May 1st. Adiradi releasing on May 14. Palli Chattami releasing on April 9. Rana Belly releasing on September 11. Mollywood Time releasing on May 14. Vishwanath and Son releasing on July 2026. Sion releasing on October 2026. Khalifa releasing on August 2026. Karup releasing on June. Arasan releasing on December 2026. Fauji releasing on December 2026. Jai Hanuman releasing on December 2026. Sardar 2 releasing on December 2026. Bans releasing on December 2026. Drishyam 3 Hindi releasing on October 2nd. LAK releasing on 2026. Ramayana Part 1 releasing on November 8. King releasing on December 24.
Daddy's
Toxic
home.
releasing on June 4. Jailer 2 releasing on June 12. Jananayagan releasing on June. Chom 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 chom.